Thought I'd do a video to correct some of TikTok's videos giving incorrect information. So if you're a UK amateur radio enthusiast, then you'll look for your amateur radio terms produced by Ofcom. If you scroll all the way to the licence schedule, now these are all your terms and conditions, but we're going to concentrate on your licence frequency schedule. We've got this at the bottom. Let's just look at the foundation licence. So what this actually means, the left hand side is the frequency you're allowed to transmit on. The next column is the status, whether it's primary or secondary. If you're the primary user, then we have priority effectively using that frequency. Then there's a status for amateur satellites, and then we have the power column, which is maximum peak envelope power. Now, unless it states ERP, which is effective rated power, then all power limits are taken from the antenna feed point. So let's go through for an example. There's 7000 kHz or the 40 meter band. You're the primary user for amateur satellites and primary user. 25 watts for foundation level, maximum peak envelope power. Okay, so it says 25 watts. What that means is if you use an antenna design that has gain, you could have 25 watts at your antenna feed point, but you could effectively be radiating 100 watts or 200 watts, depending if the antenna has gain or not. That is very important because if you look at 135.7 kHz, we're the secondary user for that, and it's 1 watt ERP. So if you had 1 watt at your antenna feed point and you were using a Yagi or some sort of wire antenna that has gain, then you will be transmitting more than 1 watt ERP and you will be breaching your license conditions. So it's very important to understand their license parameters, and that's how you actually work all these columns out and what it means in practical terms.